Thailand Halal Assembly 2025 Green Halal Beyond Sustainability. When faith and science lead the world toward a sustainable future, humanity benefits. Halal is not merely what we consume. It is an ecosystem of ethics, science, and compassion, rooted in Islamic civilization and expanding toward the future of humanity. In a world undergoing environmental, economic, and ethical transitions, Thailand, as one of Asia's halal hubs, invites you to join a global academic assembly that bridges faith with knowledge and integrates modern science with profound Islamic principles. Thailand Halal Assembly 2025 18 to 19 December at Meroz Hotel, Bangkok. Organized by the Halal Science Center, Chulalongkorn University, in collaboration with the Central Islamic Council of Thailand, now in its 12th year under the theme Green Halal Beyond Sustainability. Aiming to establish a sustainable halal system through the integration of environmental principles, Islamic compliance science, and digital technology. Together, creating the blueprint of next-generation halal value. Main programs: 1. The International Halal Science and Technology Conference, ISHATEC 2025, including the 18th Halal Science, Industry, and Business Conference, HASIB, a global gathering of researchers, industry leaders, and halal thinkers. 2. Academic exhibition, Green Halal Economy Beyond Sustainability, showcasing new perspectives on halal as a tool for global restoration. 3. IMT, GT, WG, HAPAS, a workshop expanding halal knowledge regionally and building operational networks. 4. Academic research presentations and competitions, open to students and researchers locally and internationally. Selected works will be considered for publication in the Journal of Halal Science, Industry, and Business, JASIB, indexed in ASCI, ICI Journals, Masterlist, Google Scholar, and currently under Scopus evaluation. Be part of shaping the new direction of the global halal economy, advancing international academic collaboration, positioning halal as a force of future global blueprint, strengthening Thailand's role as a regional leader in halal knowledge. Green Halal is not only about protecting the environment, it is about safeguarding the heart of future human legacy so that peace and faith may continue to flourish.
Green Halal, the legacy beyond sustain.